So I see it as a pendulum. I want you to break this down. On one hand, we have what we have, I guess you could say kind of currently. We have the government that funds one type of education, the public school system, right? And that comes with regulations. Okay. They are regulating the public school system and it's creating dependency. Parents are dependent upon the public school system. On the other hand, we have that the government would fund all types of education, which is what the school choice people want. They want the government to fund all types of education. Well, guess what that comes with? Also government dependence and also regulation. But now we have what you and I are trying to open parents' eyes to. We have the middle, right? The middle ground, which is actually the opposite of socialism. And what it is it's self-funded. It's being reliant on God and our own families and our own communities and our friends and our churches, right? It produces independence, autonomy, and wait for it, freedom. Because we are walking independent. We are walking free. And that's the opposite of socialism.